Our experience with Bell has been good. We've been going there for in excess of 20 years. Initially in 1971 we fielded the Bell 206A model helicopter. That was the first Bell product that the Delaware State Police purchased. Since then we've progressed through the 206A to the 206 Long Rangers, the 407s, and now the Bell 429s. So we transitioned from the Bell 407 to the 429, so we went from a non-autopilot aircraft to the aircraft equipped with a 4-axis autopilot. So there's a little bit of a transition where everyone wanted to hand fly the aircraft because it flies very much like the 407, very responsive, very fast. So there was a bit of a learning curve to start utilizing the autopilot, but it's a great tool, particularly when we're out over the bay at night. Some parts of our state are pretty sparse, not a lot of light, low illumination. You're flying in IMC conditions, so the autopilot is a great aid to safety there in that it helps prevent spatial disorientation.
It's an amazing piece of equipment. I've kind of come up in the unit, and we started with a smaller version of a Bell that initially we had to take the front seat of the aircraft out to actually fit the patient in. This aircraft, as it's configured right now, we can take 2 patients as soon as we land. This one right here is outfitted with a stretcher, so it's immediately available. If we were to take a second patient, we have a strapping system where we could strap them to the floor. All the seats that you see in here are movable, so we could move around depending on what care is needed. We bring our Zoll monitor here. We're able to monitor patients' heart rhythm, respiratory rate, blood pressure, pulse oximetry, end tidal CO2. So if a patient's intubated, we can monitor their breaths without actually having to listen to their breath sounds and things like that. We have a portable ventilator. We have a portable suction container. We come with our own oxygen. And then we have a whole wall that is set up very similar to an ambulance, that if an ambulance were to come on scene, with all soft supplies and trauma-related equipment, tourniquets, gauze, you name it, we have it.
429 has been great. It's been a very reliable aircraft. Parts availability has been great. Support from Bell, product support has been great. Ron Orndorff from Bell on the sales side of the house also has the technical background to provide us, in many cases, things that go above and beyond.